Tomatoes are one of the most rewarding plants to grow in the garden, and seeing yellow flowers on your plants means you're on your way to harvesting fresh, delicious tomatoes. A homemade fertilizer can make a significant difference in terms of yield and size of the tomatoes. The best part is that you can make an effective fertilizer from simple ingredients that you most likely already have at home. First, let's talk about the yellow flowers. They are more than just beautiful, they are the precursors to your tomatoes. Proper fertilization is essential for these flowers to grow into healthy tomatoes. This fertilizer contains essential nutrients such as potassium and phosphorus, which are necessary for flower and fruit development. Potassium contributes to the formation of strong cell walls, which improves plant health and disease resistance. Phosphorus is essential for energy transfer and storage, which promotes healthy root and flower growth. These nutrients are especially important for tomato plants because they aid in the formation and growth of fruits. To make this liquid fertilizer, we need tablespoons of tomato paste. It does not matter which brand you use. Mix these 4 tablespoons with 1 liter of water. Stir the mixture thoroughly until all of the chunks are gone and the solution is a deep red color. This mixture is the foundation of your fertilizer. Next, dilute the mixture to make more fertilizer. Pour 1 liter of tomato paste solution into a bucket of 8 liters of clear water. Mix thoroughly and you'll have 9 liters of nutrient-dense fertilizer. This solution is already beneficial to your tomato plants and you can use it as it is, but we'll boost its effectiveness by adding compost tea. Compost tea is an excellent addition because it contains a wide range of nutrients and beneficial microorganisms that promote soil health and plant growth. To make compost tea, soak compost in water for a day or 2 before straining the liquid. Fill the bucket with compost tea and tomato paste solution to make 15 liters of fertilizer. The combination of tomato paste and compost tea produces a potent fertilizer that is extremely beneficial to your tomato plants. Now let's discuss the advantages of this homemade fertilizer. This mixture can be applied directly to the soil or as a foliar spray. When applied directly to the soil, the nutrients seep into the ground and become readily available to the plant roots. This method ensures that plants receive a consistent supply of nutrients, which promotes strong root development and overall plant health. Using fertilizer as a foliar spray has its own set of advantages. When sprayed on the leaves, the nutrients absorb quickly through the leaf surface, giving the plants an immediate boost. This magical fertilizer provides a lot of benefits. It adds organic matter to the soil, improving its structure and ability to retain water. Compost tea contains beneficial microorganisms that help break down organic matter into forms that plants can easily absorb. They also promote a healthy soil ecosystem, which can help plants resist diseases and pests. I hope you'll give this easy and inexpensive homemade fertilizer a try. Your tomato plants will reward you with larger, higher quality tomatoes. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe.